is Sinclair from South Bison Office Automation. I'm at Lingitudu in Mpumalanga. We've just installed an M725 enterprise machine with Mr. Prince. His first sale. We want to hear something from him. Yes.
Thank you, guys. My name is Prince. As my colleague said, it's my first sale. I'm very excited to have such sale to our school. Yes. This is a printer for the children. So these are the people that are going to use the machine. And I guess they have all the techniques and all the things right, so that if ever there's any problem, they will do that at home. So thank you.
Hi, this is Ntokozo Zwane at Lingitudu Primary. We've had a very good and successful induction thanks to South Bison.
Hello, Councillor Mkize at Lingitudu Primary School. Thank you for the successful induction.
Hi everyone, I'm Olani Govene. I had a great induction with my colleagues. Thank you.
Rudy, South Bison Office Automation. My guy here, Prince. Good luck, man. Myself. Hope you push more of it. And the team from Johannesburg, Sean, my guy here, and Sinclair. Don't worry, guys, we're gonna give you a lot of work here. We're still spreading the word. HP Live. Thank you.